Hello everyone, welcome to BotPenguin. Today we will discuss how you can create a new WhatsApp template. Templates are used for WhatsApp marketing automation. To create a new template, you firstly have to select your WhatsApp bot for which you want to create a template. On the left hand side, you will find the bots option. Just click on that. For the demo purpose, I am selecting this WhatsApp bot from this list. You will land on this page, then you have to navigate to the WhatsApp automation section. So there are different subsections in the WhatsApp automation section. You can create and manage your broadcast and drip campaigns from here. You can manage your widgets. You can manage and create templates, and you can manage your catalogs. If you want to know about any of these sections in detail, then the video links of all of them are given in description box below. You can check them out. Now we'll discuss about how to create a template. I'll go on the template section for that. You'll find a create template button here. Just click on that. You will land on this page where you can create your templates for the marketing automation. Here you have to write the template name. I have named my template. Now we will select the category. So there are three categories: marketing, utility, and authentication. If you want to send any offer related messages to your customers, you can select the marketing category. If you want to send any order confirmation messages, you can choose the utility category. And if you want to send some OTP related messages, then go for authentication. For now, I am selecting the marketing category. From here, you can select the language. There are so many language options available. You can select any of these. I am keeping this English for now. Then you have to select the header for your template. There are three options available: none, text, and media. If you select the none option, that means you don't want to add any header to your template. If you select the text option, you can enter any text for the heading of your template. Or you can also select the media option, in which you can upload any image, any video, or any document for your template by clicking on this button. For now, I am selecting the text header. For the demo purpose, I am entering this text header here. You can enter any text according to your need. So here you have to enter the body for your template. And I will also show you how you can add variables in this. Here you have to enter the body for your template. For a demo purpose, I am writing this text. I will also show you how you can add variables in this. For example, after this hello, I want to add a username, and that will be different for all the users whom I'll be sending this template. So for that, you have to click on the add variable button right here. So here, as you can see, the variable has been added. The variables are added in the curly braces with a number in it. This is the first variable that I have added. Now I'll move to the next line. Now I want the name of the user here as well, so I'll add a variable here. And as you can see, this is the variable number 2. I also want the email of the user here, so I'll add another variable here. And at last, I want to show the phone number of the user here, so I'll add another variable here. And at last, I am writing this. You can also bold some words if you want, and you can also add any emojis if you want. And you can also use other features for customizing your text. Now here you have to enter the content for the variables that you have added. For example, for the first and the second variable, I want the username. So I am just simply writing username. And I'll copy this and paste it on the second variable as well. And for the third variable, I want an email. So I am writing a sample email here. And for the fourth variable, I want the phone number. So I am writing a sample phone number here. And this way, with the help of these variables, name, email, phone number will be changed according to the users. Also, while entering the header and the body, you can see a preview on the right-hand side of the screen, so you can get a real-time idea of the template. Here you can also add a footer. This is optional. You can also skip it, or you can add any footer if you want. Then we have the button section. Here we have two categories: call to action and quick reply button. So in the call to action, you can add two buttons. First one is call and second one is website. Here you have to enter the button text. For a demo purpose, I am writing call me here, and here you have to provide the phone number. And here you can enter the URL of your website so that the users can be redirected to your website. For the button text, I am writing visit our website, and here I'll enter the website. So these were the two call to action button, and you can also add the quick reply buttons here. In the quick reply button, you can add any text for the user reply. For example, I am writing, I am interested. So the users can tap on this button and you'll get an idea of the user's reply. You can add up to 3 buttons here. Here you can add, I am not interested, or any text that you want. And here I am adding not sure. So the user can tap on any of these custom buttons and send their reply. Then you can save this as draft or you can submit it for approval. This will be approved by WhatsApp. As you can see, the template has been submitted successfully and the status here is pending. And you can take any actions from here. That is, you can copy the template ID or you can delete the template, or you can also connect this template. For example, if you want to configure flows for these custom buttons, you can do it from here. If the user replies with I am interested, so you can select the flow which will be triggered after this. And similarly, you can select the flows for both of these and then click on the Save Changes button. So this was all about how to create and manage templates for WhatsApp. If you need any help, you can refer to our help documentation. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.